For the next 48 hours, it's just me and the jungle.
No tools, no knife, no matches, nothing to help me. Everything here is louder, bigger, and alive. And without tools, water becomes the first battle.
This stream probably saved me.
No bottle, so I drink the old way, praying it's clean. I needed a place that keeps me safe from rain and animals.
Not perfect, but it's home for the night.
No tools means everything takes 10 times more energy.
Fire? Yeah, not happening today.
Night in the jungle feels like another world. I barely slept. Every sound felt like danger. Okay, 48 hours. I can do this. Without tools, your best skill is saying no to bad choices. Finally, food that won't kill me. This stream kept my mind calm and my body alive.
The jungle doesn't care if you're ready. It decides.
This tiny space felt like a castle against the storm. I learned something here. You're stronger when you have nothing.
48 hours. No tools. Just me. And I survived.